Good morning. Yeah, as we are in the middle of quiz, from today onwards, I'll ask few questions as a quiz and I'll explain the answers here. Right. The first question. Choose the correct alternate that will continue the same pattern. Yeah. Here the numbers are 3, 12, 27, 48. So all are looking like 3 multiples. 3 times 1, 4, 9 and 16. So I can get it 1, 4, 9, 16, then 25. 25 3 times is 75. Answer over. Next question. A positive number mistakenly divided by 66 instead of being multiplied by 6. So here it is very simple. By mistake, it's a divided by 6. But this is the actual is it has to be multiplied by 6. It has to be multiplied by 6. But what happened? It divided by 6. So let us assume take a number 60, which is divisible by 6. So 60 by 6 is 10. And 60 into 6 is 360. So this is what happened. But what should happen? This is actual fact. This has to be the answer if the 60 is there. But it came to 10. So the difference is nothing but the decrement percentage, error percentage. So 360 is 100%. 10 is automatically, it's very minute. 36 is 10%. 10 is more or less approximately 3%. So 97%, or else the other is 360 is 100%. Just less by 10. 350. 350 is what percent? Nearly 95 plus. So one and only the answer 97. Because none of the above is there, I can calculate 10. Right? So next question. Here the question is, there are stores T 26%, P 20%, Q 25%, R 15%, S 14%. And here in September, it was in July, but in September, the question is asking, in September, the total number of bags available, all stores together was 90 more than, that means 90 more than the earlier July. And July consists 600. So 600 is July plus 90 will be September. So how much more? 90 is more. 90 is what percent of 600 will be the my answer. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 6 1, 6 15s. So the other short way is very simple. 90. So in 600, 60 will be the 10% value. Yes. So in 90, 60 is okay, 10%. The left 30 is again half of it. So it's 5%. So again it's 5%. That's it. Very, very simple. So next question. So now the question is, HCF and LCM of two numbers are 7 and 140. So 7x, 7y will be the two numbers. Okay. So automatically the LCM of 7x and 7y is 7 into x into y. But what I have at present, I have it's 140. So 7 ones, 7 how many times? 7 20 times. So x into y is 20. So 5 1 4. 5 4 times 20. So the numbers are 7x, right? 7 into 5, 7 into 4. So 7 5 is 35, 7 4 is 28. The sum here is 35 plus 28. So 63. Answer over. Next. If selling price of 12 articles selling price equals to 18 articles cost price. So the profit is, so cost price by selling price, wait, cost price by selling price, because I am just cross multiplying. Okay, 12 by 18. So cost price is 12, selling price is 18. 12 became 18. That means 6 more. 6 by 12 into 100. So it's a 50%. So answer over. Again, 12 men can do a piece of work in 6 days. Then how many men would be required to complete the work in 15 days? 25 men in 6 days. How many men required to work in 15 days? Okay. So this is required answer. So 5 3 times, 5 5 times, 3 once, 3 2 times, 5 2s are 10. 10 men is required. So here what we followed, M1 D1 equals to M2 D2. That's it. Next question. Choose the correct alternative. 3, 12, 27, 48. Yeah, answer is 75. So that's it. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.